In this video, we follow the journey of a young and talented builder as he transforms a small pickup truck into a fully handmade camper van, from start to finish. What begins as an ordinary vehicle slowly evolves into a functional and comfortable mobile home. Through smart space planning, handcrafted detailing, and practical design solutions, he proves that even a compact vehicle can become a livable adventure machine. The process begins with preparing the wooden framework. Carefully measured beams are installed, and the empty gaps between them are filled with insulation panels to improve comfort and temperature control. Every section is designed with efficiency in mind, especially considering the limited space available. Next, the frames that will support the caravan sidewalls are constructed. Wooden slats are shaped and joined together to form a sturdy structural frame. This framework not only supports the wall cladding, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall rigidity and strength of the camper. To ensure precision, the young builder aligns the prepared frames on a flat surface before assembling them into a unified structure. By assembling everything on the ground first, he gains better control over measurements and alignment. The lightweight design allows him to lift and position the sections easily on his own. With the structure taking shape, floorboards are installed inside the caravan, creating a solid base. Finally, the interior walls are covered with durable yet lightweight plywood panels, bringing the camper one step closer to becoming a fully functional living space. Before the exterior insulation is installed, all the electrical wiring is carefully completed. Running the cables at this stage ensures everything remains hidden and protected once the walls are sealed. An outlet is strategically placed at the head of the bed, making it easy to power an electric blanket or charge devices during cold nights on the road. Attention then shifts to the roof. Before the final sheet metal covering is installed, 9.5mm black pine plywood is carefully laid across the top, creating a solid and supportive base. With this layer secured, the roof structure is nearly complete, ready to withstand changing weather conditions. Next comes the exterior insulation phase. Extra care is taken around the electrical wiring to avoid damage. This step is crucial, as it transforms the outer shell into a fully waterproof barrier, protecting the interior from rain and moisture. To maintain a cohesive look, leftover sheet metal from the roof is used to cover the area in front of the entrance. A sturdy step is then added and specially treated to resist rain, ensuring durability over time. Now comes one of the most personal touches, the door. Instead of purchasing a ready-made option, he builds it entirely by hand. Because it's handmade, the door carries far more character and value than anything bought from a store. The installation of the door handle follows, and he notes that while it's inexpensive, it's surprisingly strong and reliable. Once the door is mounted, the camper instantly begins to feel less like a vehicle and more like a tiny home. With that milestone complete, he moves on to constructing the frame for the bunk bed, which will also function as the main sleeping area, bringing comfort and practicality into the heart of the build. Next, he prepares the sleeping platform by placing a mat over 5.5mm plywood and carefully covering it with synthetic leather. This not only improves comfort, but also gives the interior a clean, finished look. Before moving forward, he applies a protective sealant to the plywood surface, ensuring durability and resistance against moisture. To enhance the interior aesthetics, wallpaper is added to the walls, giving the compact space a warmer and more homely atmosphere. Every small detail matters. He carefully seals the corners with tape to block tiny gaps, preventing insects from entering through unnoticed openings. It's a small step, but one that makes a big difference in everyday comfort. Ventilation is the next priority. He drills a precise opening for a ventilation fan that features adjustable settings, allowing airflow to be controlled depending on the weather. For the window section, he chooses acrylic instead of traditional glass. This smart decision makes the camper safer, lighter, and more impact-resistant. Weatherproofing continues as he installs rubber gaskets along the edges of the door, sealing out wind, dust, and insects. It's clear that this young builder works with intention. He doesn't rush. He measures carefully, thinks through each move, and then takes action. This caravan is more than just a converted pickup truck. It's the product of patience, planning, and determination. Even the custom table he crafted for the windowsill is both functional and beautifully integrated into the space. Now, with most of the structure complete, he turns his focus to preparing the sleeping area, the final step toward transforming this vehicle into a true home on wheels. Due to the limited space, the system is designed to be detachable. He mentions that it's not luxury-level comfortable, but it's perfectly functional for sleeping. Working with such constraints, every piece must be carefully positioned, and despite the tight quarters, he doesn't waste a single inch of space. Every decision is precise, ensuring the interior remains practical and organized. For the exterior cladding, the choice fell on Kagayaki siding, a material that balances durability with lightweight construction, making it ideal for a mobile home. The entrance area will be finished with elegant cedar panels, adding a warm, natural touch. With the main structure nearly complete, the next step is assembling the caravan onto the vehicle. Loading it onto the truck is an exciting moment, the culmination of weeks of meticulous work. Inside, he also prepares a custom sink and its supporting base, continuing the theme of functional, handcrafted solutions. This isn't a project made from prefabricated kits. Every part of this camper van has been carefully designed, planned, and crafted by hand. From a simple pickup truck, a clever, fully livable space has emerged. It's not the materials that define this build. It's the patience, creativity, and dedication invested in every corner. If you want to see the full, detailed version of this project, along with other amazing builds, make sure to visit his YouTube channel. Links are available in the description. Don't miss it.